2025 Number 1012. Infrastructure Planning. The Morgan Offshore Wind Project Generation Assets Order 2025. Made29th August 2025. Coming into force 22 ND, September 2025. An application has been made to the Secretary of State under Section 37 of the Planning Act 2008, 1, the 2008 Act, for an order granting development consent. The application was examined by a panel of 3 members, appointed by the Secretary of State, in accordance with Part 6 of the 2008 Act and carried out in accordance with the Infrastructure Planning, Examination Procedure, Rules 2010-2. The panel, having considered the representations made and not withdrawn, and the application together with the accompanying documents, in accordance with Section 74-2 of the 2008 Act, has submitted a report and recommendation to the Secretary of State. The Secretary of State has considered the representations made and not withdrawn, and the report and recommendation of the panel, has taken into account the environmental information in accordance with Regulation 4 of the Infrastructure Planning, Environmental Impact Assessment, Regulations 2017-3, and as a national policy statement as effect in relation to the proposed development, has had regard to the documents and matters referred to in Section 104-2 of the 2008 Act. The Secretary of State, having decided the application, has determined to make an order granting development consent for the development described in the application with modifications which, in the opinion of the Secretary of State, do not make any substantial changes to the proposals comprised in the application. The Secretary of State, in exercise of the powers conferred by Sections 114, 115, 120, 140, and 149A and Schedule 5 to the 2008 Act, makes the following order.